Hi, everyone.
Hi.
So what are we doing today, Ad?
We're doing our Candy Club project.
Okay, so I decided to subscribe to Candy Club. I don't know if you guys have ever gotten served the ads, but I get them all the time in my email. And so I decided to click through and try it. And I was actually really impressed by it. And so we thought that we would do an unboxing because I've been telling the kids we cannot eat this candy until we show it to everybody for what, like a week and a half? So Ad is really excited.
It's been horror.
So this is what it looks like, you guys. So Candy Club is a subscription candy service, which I think is super fun for gifting. You can do single boxes, or you can get it like once a month or every 3 months or every 6 months, I think. And you can select 2 size things of candy. This is the larger size bins, and so there's 6 to choose from, and then you can also say if you want sweet or sour or a mix of them. I've got an affiliate link that I found which will get you 20 bucks off your first box, which I think makes the smaller size ones like $10 for the box, but you'll see how amazing and high quality these are. So they're really cute. They're in plastic bins. So the only one that we really busted into was this one, which is the dark chocolate mini melts.
I love them.
They're so good. All of the candy is really high quality, like what you'd find at like a fancy New York kind of yummy candy store. So I love things like this, like I said, especially for gifting. So we got, I think I said emphasis on the sour, but a couple sweet. So we got the chocolate. We got Churro Bites. Do you want to try these? Do you remember what this one tastes like? I was shocked by this because these really taste like churros. They are cinnamon sugar dough bites coated with creamy white frosting. Super good. Okay, then we got tiny Tart Beets, mini gummy hearts with a sweet tart fruity flavor. You want to try these? You're one behind on everything. These chocolates are really good. They have caramel on the inside, but they kind of take a little bit to chew. Okay. See what you think of the Sweetheart Bites. What do you think? I think they're good. These are perfect for, like, if you're having a party or just as a special treat. It really is like one of those surprise and delight kind of boxes. I was so thrilled
They're really good.
when I got it, how big this box is. Like, it's enormous. So I think it would really be amazing to send to somebody. Okay, these are the Sour Twin Cherries. I'm gonna just let you try that one. They're very cherry. And they're very big. Okay, then we've got the Sour Smooches. That one feels sweet and sour. Okay. Sweet Tart Gummy Lips infused with cherry, watermelon, and strawberry flavors. These are really good. I don't know if you can tell, but there's 3 different colors of red. So there's 3 different flavors. So you might have got a strawberry one. I think I got watermelon. Those are yummy. Okay. Last one is Cherry Berry Belts. And these aren't the only flavors. They don't let you pick the flavors, though. At least not at first. I don't know if they let you, as you go on with your subscription, if you can rank what you liked. But these are all really good. Okay. Whoa. Those are long. You want to take a bite?
If you get a cherry berry belt, get ready.
Get ready. What do you think?
Good.
Those are good.
Awesome.
Those are really good. Okay. So that's Candy Club, you guys. Adeline has been very excited to get to taste all this candy on camera. So what do you think? Should people check it out?
Yes. It is the best candy I've ever had. Especially these.
I mean, that's saying a lot, guys. But anyway, super fun. Something different. I'm always looking for good gifting things. And this might become one of my go-to, like, thank you gifts because it's just fun and different. So sign up, check out that link. Even if you just sign up and get on their email list, they're constantly sending coupons. And then just remember that if you're thinking about sizing, these big ones I upgraded on mine to get the bigger one. And I'm glad I did. So really good. All right, can you say goodbye to everyone?
Bye.
See you later. Bye.